Tamannaah Bhatia wore this eye look and this entire beautiful, gorgeous look as the color of Shakti, and I was really inspired to create this eyeshadow look. It is very simple. You only need a few steps, and I'm trying to use as many drugstore products as possible. So if you're interested in recreating this eye look with me, let's get started and grab some brushes together. To start off, we need to get rid of any discoloration or hyperpigmentation underneath the eyes. To do this, I'm going to be using the Ole Henriksen CC stick in the shade Apricot. It's a balm-like color corrector, and I'm applying this right on the darkness. It doesn't give you cakey under eyes, and it feels like skin, and it's extremely lightweight. I'm using my fingers to pat it in. And now with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40, I'm going to be applying this over the hyperpigmentation. A concealer gives you coverage and a color corrector hides the hyperpigmentation. For precision blending, I'm using the Eye Pinnacle brush and I'm dabbing it in place. Now with my fingers, I'm blending it out for a natural finish. Look at how easily the brush is blending everything in. Now for the brows, I'm using the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in dark brown and I'm going to be filling in the brow hair. I'm applying this only to sparse areas. To keep the brow natural looking and not heavy, you want to apply some brow pencil and also blend it in as you're going ahead with steps. And now with the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel, apply that to the brows. A brow gel is optional, but it helps keep the brows in place for the entire day. Your brow should look something like this. Back in with our concealer and with a fluffy brush, apply that softly and in light layers on the eyelid. You can also go ahead and set it with setting powder. This helps get rid of any discoloration on the lids. With the ColourPop Smoke and Roses palette and the shade Look at Me with a Morphe Ariel brush, which is the A11 fluffy one, apply that on the eyelids. We don't want too much precision. We're trying to make it very natural looking and soft. That is why I'm using this fluffy brush. Back into the same shade, let's build on the color again. For hooded eyes, keep the eyes open and blend. Back into the same shade, apply that to the bottom lash line. Again, this is giving a very soft look and not a precise look. With the Jessup E04 brush, which is a bit more precise, and the shades spun around, we are going to be softly carving out some definition on the eye. Apply that into the crease and slightly on the outer corner. Remember to keep this soft and not create harsh lines. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Back into the fluffy brush, blend those colors together. Do not overblend, we're still trying to keep some definition. With the shade spun around, we are going to be applying this to the small part of the eye that needs to be connected together. This connects the top and the bottom of the eye. This is how your eye should look now. With the Question Beauty Clear Gel Primer, I'm going to be tapping this on the lid. And with the shade on the edge with a flat brush, tap the shimmer on the eye. This is the first layer, so it will be soft. You can also use the brush to carve out a soft crease. With the same shade and with my fingers, I'm tapping it on the previous shade. This is how your eyes will look. With the shade spun around, we are going to be applying it to the outer corner of the eye. And now with the Inglot Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to be using a very precise wing liner brush. From the bottom lash line, you're going to move upwards and now start carving out the line. Join it to the upper lash line. Take your time because this needs to be very precise. If you've got hooded eyes, don't make a very thick line. And now fill up the gap. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. With any waterproof black eyeliner that you might have, tightline the upper lash line only. Now with the pink or cream eyeliner, we're going to be applying that to the waterline. This gives the illusion of bigger eyes, and that's exactly what Tamannaah had done. And now with the ColourPop E6 brush, which is a wing liner brush, and the shade spun around, apply that just in between your bottom lashes. Now we're going on to curl our lashes, and I'm going to be doing it at least 2 times on each eye. This will give you the added length that you need in case you're not using false lashes. And with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, which is a volumizing one, apply that to your lashes. Wiggle the wand so that you avoid any clumpiness, and it applies on all the lashes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. I'm applying 2 layers of mascara. Don't forget to apply this to the bottom lashes too. And now with the spoolie brush, remove any fallout. And there you go guys, this is Tamannaah's beautiful Color of Shakti look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any more requests for any actresses, please leave them down in the comments and I will get to it. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video next week. Thanks for watching guys. I really hope you have a great weekend. See you. Bye-bye.